Hi everyone, my name is Farah and today I want to share with you a recipe for glowing skin. Now this recipe has only 4 all natural ingredients and is super easy to make. So the secret oil blend is 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, and 2 to 3 drops of rosehip oil. Put these 4 ingredients into a dark glass bottle. Each oil contains special properties which helps your skin to improve your skin. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, which is antimicrobial. It will also moisturize your skin without clogging your pores, which makes it great for all skin types. Sesame oil is rich in antioxidants, which helps with free radical damage. This also has fatty acids that can deeply moisturize your skin. Almond oil has vitamin E, which nourishes and softens your skin. Rosehip oil has an abundance of vitamins A, C, and omega 3, which allows your skin to regenerate and repair itself. Now, how to apply? First, you start with a clean face. Make sure you have all your makeup removed. You just take a few drops and you massage it into your skin. For best results, apply twice a day and leave overnight. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next one.